because of the development of the media, people have a lot of access to information. And it's a blessing and a curse. Because when you start to Google things, which it became an automatic knee-jerk, you get a tsunami of information and you have access to very positive outcomes, but also to horrendous results, which the patient might be very scared of. So I think patients are more exposed for the bad and for the good to information. So people who come to us many times are quite knowledgeable, but sometimes they are living with the wrong information because they didn't have anyone to talk about it. So I think all in all there's more hope because of the new treatments, because of the research, because of the genuine effort that is put into this condition. So I feel patients now have, in a way, a better support system. But it obviously needs to be improved. And I'm always touched by how much sometimes patients are afraid to ask questions and how much clinicians are afraid to ask questions. And just recently, a patient, speaking about information, actually he thought he has cancer. He thought IBD is a cancer disease. And he was living with this for the last 2 years, and this was his label. And he took me to say, actually, it's not. Again, sometimes my role is to bring all the clinicians together and do being part of the meeting with the colorectal surgeon and with the gastroenterologist. I think there's also more openness to complementary medicine, which sometimes, again, is a blessing and a problem because, and I think the key thing is to individualize the treatment. I think every person has a different PIN number and you need to be patient to look for it. But I think what I feel, and maybe I see it through the prism in St. Mark's, that patients are more involved and could be involved more. There is a Chinese proverb that says, tell me something and I will forget, show me and I will learn, involve me and I will understand. So this is a key thing, to involve more and more, which I think is happening, but could happen more. I always encourage patients to tell what they feel, what they think, because this is something important for all clinicians to remember. We know about the disease from textbooks, from research, from the patient know it. To know is to experience it. So people will tell you how it is if you'll be open to ask, if you won't be afraid to open the Pandora's box.